wins it. Set up the maul, looking for early points, the Western Force. 2 wins to start their season. And good maul defence. The backs join. Now they get the front foot. Maul, and they're over. Perfect start for the Western Force. Nick Dolly with the 5-pointer.
Yeah, great power and great combination there, and indeed patience as well.
In the first 2 minutes, we got Williams at the front this time, and they set up the maul. This time they get the momentum straight away, and they're rushing to the line. It's a try, is it? It is. And it'll be Tizzano this time who will get up with it. Carlo Tizzano, his try-scoring streak continues. On the field for Deranalangi.
Set!
Put pressure through that scrum. Stewart, Donaldson just holds it up for Potter. Nice hands. Grilly. Got Pullman on the outside. George Pullman for the corner. Oh, what a put down from Pullman.
Interaction between team
Just
and
straight
ref.
to me and I'll explain it.
Very
Okay, look, I've just seen it. The knee's clearly in touch, so I'm going to cancel out the try. We'll go back for a white line out.
up and in. Western Force exploiting that now, getting around them.
Dolly picks it up at the back. Dolly gets his second. The overthrow from Micanavere, and his opposite number capitalises.
Still under.
Rivoli told to use it. Muntz has it back down towards halfway. Really will go quickly. Potter looks up, spots some space, and goes straight through Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Oh, what about the feet from Harry Potter? He runs it from the back fence.
What an outstanding individual effort from Harry Potter.
No contest.
Williams wins it. Now the Force looking to rev the engine, and they do. And Nick Dolly, oh, he's running so hot, the numbers melted off his back. 3 tries in the first half for Nick Dolly. Going backwards here, the Drua. Gunny Masi, Wanga. It's a lovely offload away to Rakuro. What about the hands? That is the shot that they wanted to fire, but the cover defence is there. Longani Masi, brilliant defending from the Force. The Drua still in possession though. Can they score before half-time? Muntz caught in 2 minds. The scramble, brilliant from the Force, but here comes the cross kick, and the bounce in sits up for Drua Sese. And on the stroke of half-time, the Drua get a little bit of pay.
It took over 40 minutes.
They've got to fix up their ball control, spend some time in possession, all the simple things done well.
Drua get play started in the second half, and it's knocked on by Jeremy Williams.
Playing advantage, you're in the side.
Another penalty advantage. Danako Vata. Hands there. Reserve front rower head-to-head. Change the 2 props. Gonget on the field as well. Inside ball to Masi, and try to the Drua. Taniela Rakuro. He scores just after half-time.
Okay.
Jack to Glenn Jackson there, his side with a bit of a mountain to climb in this second half. Can they do it? Western Force throw here. Dolly, the hat-trick. Man, once he's marked, Tizzano to White. Stewart, short ball to Tompkinson running a hard line. And he beats the first couple of tackles. Tizzano's in! again. Oh, they put the foot on the accelerator, the Force there.
That's the word.
And
That's backwards.
lost backwards by Atumoli. So the Force somehow managed to hold onto the ball. Tompkinson now. Donaldson has to go into scrum half. Champion to Krepny.
No hands. No, because of that man.
Atumoli, experienced campaigner. On the field for the Force. Oh, the sweat on the ball is no good for Donaldson, and now trouble. Now here's trouble. Wonga strides away. A breakout try for the Drua. The ball is like a cake of soap, but the Drua handle it better this time. Quicker ball here for the Drua. Oh, hospital pass there from Miramira.
First man.
And the Force turn it over as well.
That's blue. Turnover.
Once Lelewasa goes short side, Horton. They just bunched up a tad there, did the Western Force. Harris pulls it back for Donaldson. Donaldson inside ball for Potter. He's into the backfield, chips ahead, looking for two, and he gets it! That is a bit of magic from Harry Potter this time.
Oh, the Force, they resisted the Drua.
So a little chance for a set-piece special here on the Western Force.
Hold! Ball's gone, boys.
Go short side. Fury holds it up for Donaldson. Try to the Force. Then Donaldson. A little bit of afters. That's now 8 tries for the Western Force. They equal their most in a match in Super Rugby. Force have it. Finds Lelewasa.
Okay, guys, that's time.
Says, let's get a drink. A well-earned one for the Western Force.